What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making this wrap with lettuce. It's pork and chicken. Okay, then I'll show you how to bone it. I get rid of some of the fat. Use a tip. Just push towards the bone, as long as you don't cut yourself. I think the thigh is better than the whole leg because the drumstick have a little tendon, and that's it. Then you can save this to make soup. Cut it smaller because this food processor doesn't mint that good. Okay, I'm going to put the pork in. Okay, take this out and marinate. This will need a little time to marinate. I need to be really careful because some of the vegetables that we're going to use, I'm going to use it raw, I'm not cooking it. Put more salt. If I put liquid in it, when I'm cooking it, the liquid have to evaporate. Then when I overcook the meat, and I'm just seeing in my head how this is going to play out. I think this is too much meat, but Colvin's here.
I was going to say that.
A little bit of black pepper and a little bit of chard. I'm cooking it with garlic.
Can't go wrong with garlic. Sure.
Yep. One time we make the wrap with the lettuce, but it was Chinese with dry mushroom and dry oyster. But this is a little bit more Southeast influence. I'm going to use my hand to mix it because it doesn't look like we're mixing that good. Now I'm going to put it aside that I won't have raw meat when I'm making the vegetable. I'm cutting the onion.
I don't. From the green market?
No. And then when you cut to the end, no waste.
So efficient.
Yeah, so you're saving all this scrap and go recycle.
Compost?
Basically, that's how you crush it.
That goes.
Yeah. I'm heating up the pan by making the sauce first. Some garlic, lemon juice. You don't need to get a fancy thing. You can just do this. It's true. See that? Because I want to marinate the garlic first. Vinegar and stuff later. Let's start the meat. I always use vegetable oil because it's less fatty.
Not olive oil?
You have to be careful buying olive oil because olive oil a lot of time is not for high heat. You have to buy the special kind. Maybe electrical heat is not so bad. Heat up pretty fast and it's really hot. I'm going to transfer the whole thing in it. Not hot enough. Oh well. Don't move it, Joyce. Give it a chance to brown. I want to cook it a little bit before I break it. Okay, I'm going to flip it first. Back off. I want to spread it out and easier to break apart later. Because you can tell it's really dense. To make sure it cooked because it's pork and chicken. Okay, I'm going to start breaking it apart. It's pretty lean, huh?
Yeah.
Because there's no skin. If you have skin, where does oil come from? Break it small pieces as possible. I'm going to put a little bit more oil. Seems like there's no oil coming up. I'm going to cover it for a minute because it's pork. I want to make sure that it's cooked. Okay, I'm going to cook it for a little longer. It's dry now. Transfer it here. And put it in the toaster oven to make it like crispy. You start the onion. A little oil. Don't put too much oil because this is still pork. You put the rest of the garlic in there and then let it cook. Japanese vinegar. Let the garlic work with the vinegar and the lemon juice. I want to add little pepper. Cut it as thin as possible. I think that should be enough because you don't want it too spicy. I'm going to brine this. When they add to this sauce, it will crispy. Then you taste the texture.
Okay.
See that? And then I'm going to turn to boil. Yeah. To boil to make it crispy. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to put it in, and then maybe another 2 minutes. I think if I have my boiler, it will be so much faster. little salt, fish sauce, and then honey.
So it's like sweet and salty, right, Joyce?
Yeah. I think the onion got that. I'm going to put this in. And a little parsley. I'm going to turn it off. Get the meat out. I'm putting it in here. Because I want the meat to be crispy. That's what I did. Let's do half. I don't want it to be soggy. I think it needs a little bit of salsa. I'm cut. It doesn't look that good. I'm going to shake the water out. It'll be flat. Mmm.
It's really good, Joyce.
It smells really good. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need to taste the sauce. I need to put a little bit of sesame oil.
The magic trick.
Taste this first. Mmm.
Yeah.
Put a little sesame oil. Then you can have your own dipping bowl. And it's a nicer picture like that anyway. Picture time!